Hey friends, I'm in an install, a fairly new garage install, and this garage door is pretty new. It's been installed in the last couple of years, and I wanted to point out a thing about these photoelectric eyes down here. Long story short, they should not be more than 6 inches above the ground. These ones are about 18 inches above the ground, and it's not uncommon to see them high like that. But technically there is a right way to do it. And if you're doing this sort of a project at your home or at maybe an investment property or something, make sure that these are no higher than 6 inches off the ground. The main reason for that, the why behind that, I'm big on wanting to know the why behind things. And the why is because if you have a kid, that's usually the biggest concern. If you've got a kid that gets underneath one of these doors and they're on their belly, or it's a kid that's crawling or something like that, we want that sensor to pick up that there's something blocking it within 6 inches of the ground. If you have a kid crawling underneath the door here, this sensor is not going to know that something's blocking it. And if you don't know how these work, there's basically a sensor on this side and a sensor over on that side, and they've just got a little beam that goes back and forth, photoelectric eye that just goes back and forth. And if something's obstructing it, then it will not work properly. It won't go all the way down. It'll return back up, and it won't crush whatever's underneath it. It's so it doesn't hit your car. It's so it doesn't hit your dog or your kid or whatever. But just make sure that these are installed at the right height, because it's kind of it's a dumb thing. Home inspectors don't like to have to call out things like that. It's just one more dumb thing. It can be easily avoided. So make sure it's done right. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.